Hello everyone, welcome back to TFBAGAS. And this video I will show you a After Effects tutorial again. So this video I will show you tutorial about how to create 3D model from image. From this is image into 3D model in After Effects. So this is very easy to make it. Very easy, and you can use the 3D object or the steps to create a motion graphic with 3D object. So for this video I will show you tutorial, fastest tutorial, less of effort. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so for the first, you need to open your browser and go to triple3d.ai. You can log in with your account, you can create account, Google account, and log in, and Triple AI will give you a free 300 credit. I will use this, as you can see, and then you can generate anything in 3D. You can click this image logo and click plus, and then you can search or what 3D object that you want. Like this, I will like to use this Sony Alpha to make it into 3D model and animate it in After Effects. So I will choose this one and then click this one, and then let me wait. So this is, it will be generating. It will take at least 2 until 3 minutes. Alright, so Triple3D AI give you free 300 credit, so you can use 300 credit to create 3D model like what you want. And if the credit is 0, or if your credit is 0, you can create new account again and generate again. So yeah, this is my trick to create 3D object from image that usually used for my commission edit, 3D commission edit in Unreal Engine and After Effects. So let me wait, and this is the funny part that I really like it. When it's generating, you can play with this generating model like this. Yeah, it's very fun. I like this one. So I will wait. It will take 1, 2 until 3 minutes, depend on complexity of the image. Alright, so let's see the result. It is loading, so let's see. Alright, looks very cool, very highly detailed, and as you can see, there's the alpha logo is very detailed, the millimeter and the text. It looks pretty cool, pretty good. Right, like this, and then after that you can click export, and you can select the format that you want to export. And for the After Effects, I recommend to use GLB format, because if you use FBX or OPG, you need to use Element 3D to use it in After Effects, because natively After Effects only support GLB format. So I will use GLB format, and the resolution 2K is okay, 1K is enough, but I think 4K is too overkill for editing, so I think just use 2K. And Triple3D give you free for export. Like this is 3 left, because I was used for this one, and then you can click export. Okay, let me wait. It's downloading now. Alright, it will take a second. Let's see. Alright, there is downloading GLB format. Alright, finished. So let's open the After Effects, and then you can open your download folder, and as you can see, there's camera 3D model.glb. You can drag into your timeline. Alright, just click OK, and boom, there's a 3D object of Sony Alpha camera. It looks pretty good, and you can use it for animation or motion graphic in After Effects. So with 3D model in motion graphic, it will make your editing, your video is very cool, very interesting. So yeah, you can animate it with your camera and your like this. It looks, as you can see, there's very highly detailed. Uh, as you can see, there's 2K resolution of texture, but it's very detailed. So that's why I recommend you to use only 2K or 1K because 4K is overkill for me. All right, and Tribodity give you free 4 export and 300 credit. So the if you want to generate more than 4 or more than 300 credit, you can create new account and make the 3D model again. Okay, so yeah, this is tutorial about how to create 3D model with based on image to After Effects. So thank you for watching. If you want to support me, you can support with my social bus in the link in the description. So and Bagas, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And goodbye.